I'm going to show you how I wash my truck. This is what you need. FEYNLAB Pure Wash, wash towel, drying towel, 2 buckets, one with a grit guard. Let's get started. First step, let's get some water in these buckets. We're going to fill them about halfway. Next, take your Pure Wash. See this amount over here? That is the exact amount you need for half a pail of water. Open it up, squeeze it to fill that amount, and then we're going to put this into the soapy bucket solution. We're going to leave that bucket, that's our rinse bucket. Next, let's pre-rinse. I have a power washer, so I'm going to use that, but if you don't, just use your garden hose. Let's go. Let's rinse. Now you're going to take your plush towel, dunk it in your solution. Top tip, we're going to fold our towel in half and half again. What you have there is 8 clean sides. We'll start washing. We'll use back to front motions instead of going circular, because that'll hide any micro marring that occurs. I'm going to flip around. I just washed half a panel here. Basically only one side of my towel. So I still have 4 sides that I could use. I haven't washed it once and I haven't contaminated the surface. Next, into the rinse bucket. The dirt block's going to capture any of the particles. What we want is the cleanest towel we can possibly get. And the reason we have a water bucket is because we don't want to contaminate our soapy solution. And that ultimately means you can use the same bucket to do multiple vehicles. What I'm going to do now, flip the towel once. For the wheels and tires, I'm going to use a different towel. Dunk it and wash it. I don't like using brushes because they potentially can scratch your rims. Okay, there we have it. The entire car has been washed. Next step is to rinse it again. And now we'll dry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. I'm going to do the glass first and then the rest of the car, because the dry towel dries glass better than a wet towel. On these flatter surfaces, it's best not to put too much pressure. A good technique is to place the towel down, pat it dry, flip it, and move it to the next. There you go, a quick tutorial on how to wash your car with FEYNLAB Pure Wash. Now you try it.